Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope all are doing fine and staying safe in these lockdown days. Thought of sharing with you all cooking vlog. So let's get started. Starting with Andhra breakfast, which is a very special dish which is made out of idli batter. Here I am taking 4 ladles of idli batter. Add enough salt to taste. Add very little water. Mix thoroughly. Add chopped onion pieces, green chilies and few chopped curry leaves and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Mix thoroughly. The consistency of the batter should be as shown. It should not be a too runny batter. It should be a semi-solid. Heat an iron kadai. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once heated, add the whole batter in the kadai as shown. This is one of the Andhra delicacy breakfast. Do try. You may love it. Level the batter as shown and cover and cook on a very low flame for about 10 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes, check once and flip the roti as shown. You can hear the crispiness of the roti. Cover and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. I am making a complement dish for this Minapa Rotti or roti. For that we have to take quarter glass of water in a bowl. Add 3 heapful of powdered jaggery. Mix and cook until one string consistency or else until it is sticky consistency. It will take about 5 minutes. Keep stirring continuously, otherwise it may catch up the bottom of the vessel. Cook on a very low flame. It is almost done. It will become more sticky and more thick as it sits. So once it reaches the very thick and sticky consistency, do switch off the flame and let it sit. It goes very well with this tiffin or breakfast dish. In Telugu, we call it as Minapa Rotti. You may call idli batter roti. Now this is almost done. This jaggery syrup is sold at the farms where they do sell jaggery. Before making the jaggery, we get this syrup. This is known as cheruku pakam in Telugu. With the jaggery, we can make easily at home by adding little water and boiling it. And this goes very well with idlis, dosas also. And for kids, we can keep who cannot have spicy chutneys. Do try if you have kids at home. See, it's almost done. I have switched off the flame and let it sit. I'll show the consistency later while having the breakfast. Now checking the Minapa Rotti. It's almost done and it's crisp as well. Flip it over and divide into 4 equal parts. It will be too heavy and too big for a single person and for single serving. So divide and share with your family and friends. And serve hot. I am serving here with the sweet jaggery syrup and a spicy tomato chutney which I have made for today's breakfast. So this is the way it looks. Do try this recipe and let me know in my comment section below. This is the jaggery syrup which we have made. You can see how yummy it is looking. Just like maple syrup. And this is the spicy tomato chutney. If you want the recipe of this, I will give the link in the description box below. You may check it. Now for the afternoon menu, I am doing cabbage and tomato fry, white rice and pepper rasam. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai and adding the tempering, that is mustard seeds, cumin seeds and 1 red chili and 2 big spoons of chana dal. Fry until this splutter and until chana dal turns golden brown in color. At this stage, add the chopped cabbage and fry for about 2 minutes. Add about 10 sliced green chilies. Add enough salt to taste. Green chilies are only the spice which we are adding to this dish. We are not going to add any red chili powder. So do add sufficient green chilies. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric as well and mix thoroughly. Fry on a high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Adding here 5 chopped tomatoes. Keep the flame low and mix well. Cover and cook on a very low flame for about 10 minutes. Do check after every 5 minutes and mix well. It will take about 15 minutes for the cabbage to cook properly. This is after 15 minutes. You can see the curry is done. You may call it curry or fry. Using very little oil, you can do delicious dishes like this. Serve hot with pepper rasam and white rice. Now for the evening snacks, I am going to make kiwi smoothie out of kiwi ice cream, which I have done earlier. Kiwi ice cream recipe is already there in my channel. I'll give the link in the description box below. You may check. Adding enough kiwi ice cream to a blender jar. Adding about half glass of chilled milk. Add enough sugar to taste. And blend it well. That's all. Kiwi smoothie will be ready within seconds. This is one of the quick and delicious summer delight for the kids who are stuck in the home due to this lockdown. Do try and let me know in my comment section below how it turned out. It was yummy and very delicious. Please do try. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon given below for further notifications. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care and bye bye. Meet you in the next video.